Hey guys, Russ Morseman here. Thanks for checking our channel out, Chasing the Checkers. We're going to follow all our racing adventures throughout the season and in the future. Hopefully post a video a day or two after every race that we hit. Again, thanks for checking us out, and here's what we had going on this week. Hey guys, unfortunately we rained out our season opener, Atlanta Legends, this past Saturday. It rained all Friday night, pretty heavy, and the temps were down into the low 30s. So we decided to stay home, get a bunch of stuff done around the shop and in our trailer. We installed a new tire rack this last week. Installed pit lights that extend out over the car that should light up our pit area great. And I'm sure the guys parked next to us will probably like that too. Just make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and come back next time. Until then, see ya.